Today we are going to talk about 7 crypto careers for 2022 and beyond. So the world of Web3, as it is known, is exploding, and it is the future. I fundamentally believe that we're not going to be saying a lot of crypto stuff in 10, 15 years or so. It's just going to be known as the internet. So the first role that a lot of people are going to be looking for are community managers, and community managers are not necessarily a new role per se, but it's really important to hire community managers that are native to the world of crypto. And so an example would be if you're looking to hire someone to help promote your NFT project, non-fungible token, you would hire someone that really understands Discord, someone that really understands the other social platforms that you have to be native for, right? They have to have understood how to build community from the ground up, and not only just build the communities, right? Not fill Discords up with a bunch of users, but also how to engage with them as well, right? So it's really important when you're talking to these people, or if you're looking for a community-led job to have a little experience under your belt. Because for me, if I'm looking to hire community managers, they have to have been there, done that. So as an example, for our NFT project, Leveling Up Heroes, we have a couple community managers that have worked on projects such as World of Women, or they've worked on projects such as VFriends, right? These are kind of big NFT projects out there. So the very first one would be community managers, and I think this is one that many people can onboard for, even if you haven't graduated from college, or let's say you haven't even graduated from high school, but if you understand this space really well, I would even say a 13-year-old me could probably do a better job than most people that are in their 20s, right? Because I understood the world of kind of gaming, and I used, IRC at the time, right? Which is kind of, Discord back in the day. So look for people that are native to the channel that you're looking for, right? Or where you're looking to promote. So NFTs, you're going to be looking at Discord, you're going to be looking at some of these other channels, right? So number 2 would be a partnerships manager. As an example, next week, Art Basel's happening in Miami, and I'm going to be talking to partnerships people that really are connected to people in the world of crypto. They understand an element of kind of business development as well. So this is kind of a person that knows how to connect the dots, is really well networked, really well liked, and this person can make things happen for you, right? They can make things happen out of thin air. So this to me is kind of a sales type of role, but it's not exactly sales where you're looking for someone to dial all the time. You're looking for someone that is just really good at relationship building, because in the space right now, at least, with what's going on in the world right now, with how early we are into the world of crypto, relationship builders, everyone's down to connect, right? So if you have someone that's really good at it, they're worth their weight in Bitcoin. Okay. Number three would be an influencer manager. So many people know what influencer managers are. In the world of social media, you would partner with these big influencers out there. But in the world of, let's say you're looking to promote your NFTs, well, you're probably looking to have an artist or maybe an entertainer promote you, right? Someone that has a lot of followers, that maybe they have a lot of followers in the world of Twitter Spaces. That's where a lot of these drops are happening, right? So being able to partner with these influencers out there, you can not only partner with them through online, but also real life as well. And so this also comes back to relationships as well. And this partnerships manager, by the way, probably knows a lot of influencers, so they can probably have a hybrid role. So number 2 and 3 can kind of be hybrid. And I would say not all of these are mutually exclusive, but you want to be kind of focused, right? Some of these are mutually exclusive, I would say. Number 4 would be an events manager. So if you're thinking about Web3 marketing, a lot of marketing in maybe 10, 15 years or so are not going to be using the Web 2 platforms that we're using right now, such as a Facebook, such as even YouTube as an example, right? So who knows what's going to happen there, but we do know for sure human beings always like to connect. Doesn't matter if you're an introvert or an extrovert, human beings like the thought of getting together. And so having an events manager that understands the world of crypto well, okay, can help you throw these events. And when you're able to throw these events, you kind of become the center of attention, and you kind of become the connector, and you kind of become one of the stars of the event as well. And you don't have to do as much work in terms of, having to go around speaking and all that. You just make sure that you have a really good events team that can handle things. And, if you're looking to get into this world, and if you're good at event planning, then it would be good for you to understand the world of kind of the world of crypto, and then you can kind of layer on your event management or event planning skills, and you're going to be good to go, because a lot of these people are looking to throw events, and they're looking to go crazy, right? So that's that. So number 5 would be, if you're looking for a developer job, understanding kind of the hottest languages, right? So if you're interested in Solana, you might be programming on Rust. And if you're looking to program on Ethereum, you're looking to do Solidity, right? And so learning these languages is helpful, and I'm not technical myself, but from what I've heard, Solidity, it kind of looks like a little bit like JavaScript, right? So I might be oversimplifying it. I might not. Let me know in the comments if I am. But the fact of the matter is, nothing has really changed in the world that in the world of needing to build products, you're always going to need developers, right? And so developers are a hot commodity. And well, if you want to go out there and learn it, there's a lot of code schools that are out there that you can pick this stuff up. It's going to be a nice journey, but I know a lot of people that have gone through these coding boot camps to get full-time jobs at other places, right? So that's not to say that you can't do it. You certainly can. And number 6 is a designer. So if you need developers, you need designers as well. And the good news is designers can actually translate their skills quite easily. They don't need to learn a new language or anything like that. So if you're a good designer, or if you're an aspiring designer, look at what people are doing in the space right now. And look at connecting with these people. People are very easy to connect with on Twitter right now because it's native. And by the way, I'll tell you, when I go to a lot of these conferences, they don't ask me about my Instagram. They don't ask me for my Facebook, right? I don't think anybody's ever asked for Facebook. Nobody asked me for my phone number. They ask you for your Twitter, okay? Twitter is the social channel to do business in when it comes to the world of crypto, at least as of this recording. Now, number 7, last but not least, is a project manager. Who is going to be the one that's going to manage all the stuff that's going on, especially if you're doing like an NFT drop, if you're doing a new product launch, maybe in the DeFi world? Who's going to be the one that's quarterbacking the project and moving things forward? And most people are not the ones to do that. Project managers need to be very organized. So if you find that you're very organized, maybe you have a certificate in project management, maybe you take a look at what's going on in the crypto space and look at what projects are actually interesting to you, okay? The main takeaway here is that crypto is exploding, and if you want to get into a role in the world of crypto, the most important thing is to really understand how it works, right? Because if you know community management, if you know partnerships, you know influencers, you know project management, you're good at design, events management, you really just got to know crypto, right? Then you can learn how to speak the language, and you can know what's important, you can know who the players are, and it's going to be way easier. By the way, let's say you're a wedding planner. There's nothing wrong with that, but you really understand weddings. That means you need to relearn this world, this brand new world that's opening up on us right now, okay? And a lot of people just don't have the humility to want to relearn. So if you're humble enough to relearn a little bit, or this is not even relearning, it's really learning a new kind of industry, then you're going to be way, way ahead of 99% of people that are out there, okay? Let me know what roles you think I missed in the comments below. Let me know if you think you disagree or agree. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button, and we'll catch you in one of these other videos over here, and we'll catch you later.